everybody. Hope you've all been having a great summer. It's definitely starting to feel like fall in the mornings, at least around here. I don't know about where you are, but it's definitely been a hot and sometimes quite humid summer. Anyway, kind of a brief video. I've got a lot of backlog of footage. Just going to share our garden harvest and where it is right now, plus just a little bit earlier harvest when it was a little bit more lush and abundant, and bonus farmers market haul with also some meals we've been having for part of our summer diet. And in case you haven't read, I do have an article on the summer diet and why it's important to eat in harmony with the season. What's up, Nellie? On the Vegan Great Life blog at vegangreatlife.blogspot.com, and I have more information on my website at tracymatez.com. Links down below. Hope you enjoy this brief video. It's kind of my way of just staying in touch and saying hello, and I'll be back again soon. Take care. Assortment of stuff. Definitely, even with our netting, we're not able to keep the bugs away, but grateful for all we have been harvesting. Nice big beet. We've got another one in the fridge that we haven't eaten yet, so maybe I'll cook them both up. Those greens look pretty good. Some baby bok choy that was going to flower, so cut the rest of that out. I have kale, collards, mustard green, arugula, parsley, basil, the red and green lettuce, some radishes, one yellow summer squash, lots of Swiss chard that got kind of buried. That's what I put in here first. You can see the stems. Some collards, quite a variety. So, every year you learn as you go. The hoop netting didn't completely keep bug proof like we hoped, but we'll just keep learning on how to work with the soil, make sure it has the right balance of nutrients. That's really the big key. And continue to work on natural pest control issues. But nonetheless, we've been able to eat a lot of greens out of our garden so far, so I'm quite grateful. Harvesting right now are the potatoes. So not huge crops per, but this was just from one of these container bags. Last year we had, or the year before when we had potatoes, we had at least that much in just one. So it's a very small yield this year so far with the way we did following a different method. which we won't do again, at least not in these containers. But anyway, grateful for whatever we have, because these do taste so good when you know, freshly harvested. Nothing compares. Okay, here's a little add-on to our outdoor harvest. So we've got the indoor harvest, and most of this here was from the farmer's market, a real small one. We went in Monroe, Michigan. Anyway, so this was, you know, from Saturday's market. This whole bunch of kale, I had to just, I'm stuttering. I was just so excited when we bought all this. It's just amazing. Like this, they charged $2 for. I mean, that's incredible. And I mean, get a load of this one. I can hardly pick it up with one hand while holding the camera. Look at all of that. Pretty incredible, huh? So $2 each for these huge bundles of kale, and then the broccoli and the lettuce were pretty much the same. This might have been $2.50, but like that's a third remaining of what we bought, because we ate from this twice already, I believe. So it was like at least double to almost 3 times that. And then we also got a huge, massive head of red leaf lettuce, and we had a huge salad yesterday as a main entree, and there's still all that lettuce left. So anyway, these are some of the beets. Those are beets from our garden. This was from the farmer's market, basically 50 cents each. And we also got this, I think they're icicle radishes, but they also, the greens look a lot like daikon, and we eat the greens as well. I got a kohlrabi that had beautiful greens on it. So we ate most of the kohlrabi, and we still have some of the greens, but I didn't dig them out. Anyway, this is the one from our garden. It's so big. The squash corn soup / sauce is really the best way to eat it, because it gets so soft and sweet cooked with the corn. So we got these from the farmer's market, and I had gotten 2 cucumber. We made gazpacho with some tomatoes we got from the market. 2, I think. One was really big and plump and ripe and ready, and I added some carrot and vegetables to that, and garlic. And then these 2 are actually from our garden. It's a little baby, but the flavor is so good. Okay, I've also been buying a whole lot more fruit. We've been eating a lot more fruit the last couple of weeks, and we're really feeling energized by that. And it's a great time of year to eat a lot more fruit. It's just part of the summer diet. So we love these champagne or Atolfo mangoes. They were 4 for $5. And bananas. Now these are tropical fruits, and the Japanese iteration of macrobiotics, they tend to shun buying foods that aren't from your local region. And there's some reasons that make sense, but as I've been writing in the macrobiotic action plan, it's really what you do 80% or so of the time that matters the most. But also you have to make choices based on several criteria, which I will have outlined in the macrobiotic action plan revised edition. But anyway, papaya has been super cleansing, really enjoying it. And then we do keep some either garnet or Asian sweet potatoes around, and we went through so far what we've harvested of our little yellow potatoes. So I did buy 1 bag, keeping the potatoes going. Have been enjoying a lot of plums, black plums especially. And I went to pick some more up, but they were out of the black plums. These are pluots, black pluots. So those are good too. I just have been really loving these super juicy black plums. They've been amazing. Really juicy. Like, eat them and you're going to have water dripping down your chin juicy. I finally am buying grapes. I wait until later in the season for when grapes that are that's the cherry bag, grown in the United States are available. And some were actually organic that I just purchased yesterday, and these have all been on sale for like $1.99 a pound, which is awesome. Very excited about that. All those beautiful grapes, pluots, and these berries have also been on sale. Organic. Oops, $1.49 a pint. So stoked about all that. We've also been enjoying a lot of peaches. I'm out of them at the moment. And I did just buy some more dates. These were from Arizona, where we used to live. So enjoying a lot of fruit and more raw, like salads and all of the bounty of harvests available in the summer diet. And it feels quite refreshing, energizing, and great.